As a professional, getting emails doesn't stop when your workdays do. Every vacation or time off you take can come with unreplied emails. Superhuman Mail fixes that. Your replies write themselves and your schedule is kept up to date for you. Superhuman Mail, part of the Superhuman Productivity Suite, is an email tool I use to make my inbox a lot more organized and to feel a lot more manageable. Its AI helps with the repetitive parts of emails so I can spend less time digging through my inbox and more time actually getting things done. So let me show you a few parts of the workflow that actually make a big difference for me. The very first one is Ask AI. This is super helpful when you have long email threads, too many messages, or you just need one important detail quickly without manually opening everything and searching line by line. So, for example, if I go to my inbox and I use Superhuman Mail, I can just ask, where was the information about my collaboration with Storyblocks, for example, and Superhuman Mail delivers. So you just install the extension and I just go to Superhuman Mail and I open it inside my inbox. And this is where you can really put it to work. So for example, I don't want to spend the time to go through all my emails and I want to be able to ask something and it finds everything about my collaboration. And it just reminded me everything I need to know without having to work on it myself. So instead of me thinking about all the back and forth that I did with some people or with my clients or with anything else, Superhuman Mail just gives me all the information detailed with bullet points and everything that I need to know. The next thing I want to show is auto drafts. This is one of the most practical parts of the workflow because following up is a thing that sounds simple, but it is easy to forget when you have a lot going on. So sometimes you tend to forget about following up on busy work days. It happens to me too all the time. And this really can impact your project timelines, your client relationships, and more. So auto drafts is not something that just reminds me that an email needs a response, but it helps me draft a message so I can give a response faster. So for example, you have something right over here. For any conversation, you can also click I, and it gives you a summary of the entire collaboration, of the entire email thread, which is something super cool. So for example, you have this email here. It helps you respond to emails by just clicking these things like, I'm interested in more details or not at this time. So for auto drafts, you can go to do them for follow-ups, responses, scheduling, and more. So it just drafts the response for you right over here, and it is really easy to do so. Another thing that makes a huge difference is booking pages. So booking meetings through email can easily turn into too much back and forth. And this is where one simple link makes the whole thing easier. Instead of going back and forth to coordinate times, I can just send the booking page and let the part handle itself. So this saves a lot of time, but it also keeps the inbox cleaner, and this matters more than people think. The less unnecessary friction there is in your inbox, the easier it is to stay focused on emails that really matter. So this really works for long-term productivity. So you have a booking page right over here that you can share. So you have the calendar and booking pages. And with this booking page, you can easily share this. You have a new booking page, you have an event, you set the duration, video, location. Another thing that you can use with Superhuman Mail, the mobile app, is a write with a voice. And you speak what you want to say on your phone, and Superhuman just turns it into a polished draft in your voice and tone, ready to review and send in seconds. So it doesn't just take your words and transcribes them for you, but it takes on the intent and the tone of voice that you want and writes a refined email that sounds like you. So if you're at the airport, at the beach, just don't have the time to reply to email, just use write with voice and everything is settled. Now you can also connect with Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini. So you can connect it, for example, with ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so you connect it from ChatGPT, you go to settings, apps, explore apps, and you search for Superhuman Mail. There you go. And you connect it, And now that it is connected, you can just start a new chat and you can ask it something like, what are 5 emails from brands I collaborated with? So it just summarizes everything that I need for me directly from ChatGPT because I connected Superhuman Mail to the app. You can do this with Claude, Gemini, or any other AI tool that works. So it got all the information that I needed for all of these, and ChatGPT just works perfectly with Superhuman Mail integrated. So there you go. Superhuman Mail is not just to use simply for emails, not just an AI hack. It actually helps you create a more structured way of working with your emails, with your collaborations, clients, and more. You have a clearer inbox, less manual searching, better follow-ups for your clients or the businesses that you collab with, less meeting chaos with the booking page, and more mental space for you to focus on things that actually matter for your business. Because this is the kind of workflow that makes your day-to-day routine clearer and lighter over time. So start moving forward with a system that sticks. You can get 1 month free of Superhuman Mail using the link in the description. So by going to superhuman.com/Lydia, you get 1 month free so you can start using it and trying it out for your business today. If this video was helpful and it gave you a better way of structuring your email and creating a better workflow, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next one.